Hello everybody and welcome to this episode of Holiday Hacks. Today we are going to make a ghost, but not just any ghost, tissue paper ghost. Supplies you're going to need are paper towel. I recommend the full squares, the big full ones. These are the dual half squares, so I've pulled two of them off. Plastic bag or some cotton or even another piece of paper to fill it. A twist tie from a piece of bread or something. Some sort of string to hang it. This is the dollar store thing of twine. You can also use fishing line or whatever you have on hand, sewing string. And then tape. So, sit back and let me show you how this is done. Oh, camera. First, you're going to take this, hold it in your hand, crumble up your like little plastic bag or your filling to a small ball. Try to put it as close to the middle as you can. And then you're going to just wrap it up into a ball, like so. Now, I prefer to twist the bottom a little bit to get you a nice little tight hold. You can take your twist tie. Take it along the back like this, and then twist tie it on like so. And then you're going to have this. Now you're just going to fluff out the outside edges. Now this part's optional. You can, I draw a face on mine. This is a Sharpie marker. So I do like a couple eyes, in my mouth. Yeah, you get that. Okay, and now for the final part, the string. The string is just to hang it. I'm going to tear off about a 1.5 foot piece. Now, I tried just taping them to the top, but the tape didn't like to stay on the paper too well to hold it up. I guess it was a little bit too much weight, so you tie it like kind of like a noose around the back. Just do a double loop, loop and pull. Now you have this. Now, if you want a ghost flying through the house like that, you can hang it like that. But it's not quite the look I'm going for. I want him to be standing up like this when he's hanging. So to do that, take a piece of tape. Stick it on the back of the head over the string like so. And now, when he's hanging, he's standing up more. Alrighty, had some technical difficulties, but these are all ghosts hung up. The one in the back corner is the one, no, this one here is the one we just made. So they look like, with a black light on them. This is just a cheap black light from Wish. A LED one. Now, if you put some glow-in-the-dark paint on these, you can make some other effects. It doesn't pick up too well on the video, but the string is actually kind of glowing a bit on them. But that's it for this craft. See y'all next time.